By 2025, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is no longer a prototype. It's here, 30% faster and smarter than anyone expected. Not only can it fold laundry and cook meals, but it can also care for the elderly without supervision. Gen 3 promises to be a breakthrough in home healthcare and continuous medical monitoring. Recently, Elon Musk confirmed that by 2027, Tesla will be mass-producing over 100,000 Tesla bot robots. We are getting closer to a future where bartenders, waiters, and even babysitters are robots. It's becoming reality. So, is your job at risk? Will you profit from these robots instead of being replaced? In today's episode, we're going to show you exactly how you can turn a Tesla bot into a money-making machine for yourself, even if you're just an ordinary worker. Believe us, job number 3 will definitely shock you. Miss it, and you'll regret it. But first, stop scrolling and do this now. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're always the first to know how to stay ahead of the game in this robotic era. 1. The first task. John is staring at the ceiling motionless like a robot with a dead battery. That's all he has been able to do for the past 10 years in his bedroom. His body is now completely paralyzed due to a form of muscular dystrophy known as spinal muscular atrophy, type 2. The only part of his body he can move is his thumb. His sole source of income comes from Social Security and SSI, totaling $987 a month. His life depends entirely on caregivers. Even something as simple as scratching an itch is an unattainable dream. Then one day, his son walked in with the Tesla Bot Gen 3. John let out a bitter laugh. How could a machine possibly understand his pain? But then, the Tesla Bot gently adjusted his pillow, allowing him to lie comfortably. It brought him water before he even had to ask, lifted him effortlessly. No pain, no struggle. For the first time in over a decade, John felt relief. Freedom. He no longer felt like a burden. He was no longer trapped.
And really kind of the robot will kind of get to know you as well and know your preferences. You won't even have to say things because it'll just kind of understand you. So it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks, whatever you can think of, it will do.
This statement by Elon Musk is exactly what we want to emphasize. As seen in Tesla's videos and images showcasing Tesla Bot Gen 3 as a professional housekeeper, these roles may seem obvious for humans, but they are not easy for a typical robot to perform. As a smart housekeeper, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 can handle all these tasks: cleaning, cooking, childcare, and elderly care. That's right, the upcoming Gen 3 version promises significant changes and upgrades. Tesla has already demonstrated its ability to clean kitchens, water plants, serve drinks, open car trunks, carry groceries inside, and even check for packages. With its latest version, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 will be significantly smarter than Gen 2, with improved mobility and operational speed by over 30%, proving that Tesla is the only company successfully bringing multiple generations of humanoid robots into the real world. Imagine if the Tesla bot could handle all your household chores for just half the price of a Tesla EV. Wouldn't that be a revolution?
Yeah, the price point will be, I think, quite low. $20,000, $25,000 for a robot that can do anything.
As Elon Musk mentioned, Tesla bot will be capable of performing a wide range of tasks based on real-world demands. By 2026, Tesla plans to produce hundreds of thousands of Tesla bot units and begin selling them to a broader customer base. Tesla certainly has the resources to prove the Tesla bot scale up at an incredible pace. Specifically, Musk shared this in a video interview with Stagwell CEO Mark Penn at CES in Las Vegas. He said,
I certainly feel comfortable saying that it's getting 10 times better per year. 4 years from now, that would mean 10,000 times better, maybe 100,000. I think it will be able to do anything that any human can do.
Currently, the Tesla Bot Gen 2 stands at a standard height of 5 feet 10 inches, weighs 138 pounds, and is powered by a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery. It can carry loads of up to 20 kilograms, 45 pounds, enabling it to perform tasks ranging from simple to complex. Typically, a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery would allow a robot to operate for about 5 to 6 hours. However, the key difference is that the Tesla bot uses the 4680 battery, Tesla's best and one of the most advanced batteries in the world. With its higher energy density, this allows the Tesla bot to run for up to 10 hours. That's enough time for it to fold your laundry, mop the floor, mow the lawn, prepare meals, and wash the dishes. Imagine coming home to find everything already done. You don't have to lift a finger. We bet this is the life we all dream of, isn't it? With studies predicting that 59% of grocery shopping tasks will be automated within the next decade, closely followed by dishwashing 46% and cooking 46%. This shift is already underway, as commercial robots like Dyson's prototypes demonstrate complex object manipulation, while AI-powered vacuum cleaners, such as Roomba, have become an everyday convenience. By 2035, it is estimated that 39% of household labor time could be automated, potentially freeing up 4 extra hours per week for each household. These developments signal a future where robots will not only match but surpass human efficiency and accuracy in repetitive domestic tasks. Tesla Bot stands at the forefront of this transformation, offering a compelling economic alternative to human labor. With an estimated price range of $20,000 to $25,000, Tesla Bot presents a one-time investment that provides 24/7 service, compared to the average U.S. housekeeper salary of $30,000 to $45,000 per year. Additionally, the rise of humanoid robots will create new job opportunities in areas such as robot maintenance, AI training, and ethical oversight. This shift will require investment in reskilling programs to prepare workers for these emerging roles. Beyond efficiency and productivity, as the story we just shared, Tesla Bot will revolutionize elderly care and disability support. Many individuals in situations similar to John's rely on caregivers, but the reality is that these caregivers are overworked, underpaid, and highly stressed, leading to inconsistent care. With robotic assistance, daily needs such as mobility assistance, medication reminders, and companionship could be met with greater reliability, enhancing the quality of life for those in need. All of this once seemed like science fiction, but Elon Musk has made it a reality, right now. If you dream of owning a robot that can do all that, tap the like button to let us know our content is truly valuable to you. But that's just a small part of what the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is capable of. As promised in the title, we have 3 groundbreaking jobs that this robot is actively developing to replace human labor and liberate us from repetitive work. The following is the job that we most wanted Tesla Bot Gen 3 to support, but importantly, the third job was the one that we were most shocked to hear about. 2. The second task's Jim, a worker with over 15 years of experience at a battery manufacturing plant. He grits his teeth fighting exhaustion. His back aches, fingers swell, and sleepless nights wear him down. But the cold, unfeeling machines keep moving. No rest, no mercy, oblivious to his suffering. Exhausted, he dropped a stack of batteries. Then came harsh scolding from the supervisor and the looming threat of termination. Then, the announcement comes. The company is integrating humanoid robots into production. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 never got tired, never dropped a single battery cell. It worked 3 times faster than any human, lifting heavy materials up to 20 kilograms with precision. But what about Jim? Would he lose the job he had dedicated over a decade to? Instead of being pushed aside, he was retrained to oversee the bots, ensuring they ran smoothly. The new role was less stressful, better paid, and, finally, a job that didn't break him. Today, it's not just Jim's company. Many factories, instead of laying off their entire labor force, companies are retraining employees to work alongside Tesla Bot, minimizing waste, increasing efficiency, and cutting costs by up to 40%. Tesla Bot Gen 3 robot has already been successfully deployed at the Fremont factory, where it manages critical tasks like handling 4,680 battery cells, a key component in electric vehicle production. By automating these processes, Tesla Bot enhances efficiency, reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks and minimizing human error. More importantly, it takes on physically demanding or hazardous tasks, ensuring a safer working environment for employees. And Tesla Bot is the golden key to solving this equation. It will be able to assist industries that need repetitive, dangerous work, which is extremely valuable. This shift not only protects workers from potential risks, but also allows them to focus on more complex and strategic roles, increasing overall workplace productivity. Tesla Bot is equipped with Tesla's advanced AI systems, enabling it to learn and adapt over time. This means that as more Tesla Bot robots are deployed, they can share data collectively, continuously refining their performance. In industrial settings, this networked intelligence allows multiple robots to work together seamlessly, significantly boosting productivity while minimizing the need for human intervention in task coordination. Beyond automation, Tesla Bot has the potential to integrate with other AI-driven technologies and smart systems, paving the way for highly efficient and autonomous production environments. As industries move towards self-optimizing factories, Tesla Bot stands at the forefront of this transformation, redefining how machines collaborate to maximize efficiency and streamline operations.
But then, assuming things go well, we'll 10x that output next year. So we'll aim to do maybe 50 to 100,000 humanoid robots next year, and then 10x it again the following year. It's like 500,000 robots in 3 years.
Earlier this year, Elon Musk announced that Tesla is gearing up for mass production of between 500,000 to 1 million Tesla bots by 2027. In the short term, the company plans to manufacture at least 5,000 to 10,000 Tesla bots at Giga Texas this year, with an ambitious scale-up to 50,000 to 100,000 units by 2026. Additionally, businesses will have the option to lease Tesla Bot, reducing upfront costs and making robotic automation more accessible and cost-effective. This flexible adoption model allows companies to integrate cutting-edge robotics into their operations without the burden of large initial investments, positioning Tesla Bot as a game-changer in industrial automation. Elon Musk firmly believes that Tesla can increase Tesla Bot production tenfold each year, a claim that might sound unbelievable coming from any other company. However, when it comes to Tesla, such an achievement seems not only possible but inevitable. Even the CEO of Boston Dynamics, a leader in robotics for over 3 decades, has acknowledged that Tesla has the capability to accomplish what his own company has struggled with for more than 30 years. The truth is, having the best product doesn't guarantee success if it costs 5 times more than the competition. The market will always favor affordable solutions, even if they aren't the most advanced. Tesla's own history proves this. While the Model X and Model S boast superior technology, it's the Model 3 and Model Y, the more affordable options, that dominate sales. Price remains a major barrier, and without cost efficiency, even the most cutting-edge innovations struggle to reach consumers. Today, the average price of humanoid robots ranges from $80,000 to over $100,000, whether in China or North America. Many never even reach the market due to prohibitively high production costs. A prime example of this failure is Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, a decade-long project that ultimately collapsed due to the company's inability to mass-produce it at a viable cost. Despite years of development, Atlas never made it to commercial production, marking one of the biggest failures in humanoid robotics history. If Tesla succeeds in delivering Tesla Bot Gen 3 at $20,000, it won't just disrupt the robotics industry, it will make humanoid robots a mainstream reality, accessible to households, businesses, and industries on a scale never seen before. That's right, the grueling factory work is exactly what we hope Elon Musk will bring Tesla Bot Gen 3 to help with. As promised from the start, we're dedicating the rest of today's episode to revealing the most shocking job yet. The third task. Sarah, the owner of a large restaurant in Houston, Texas, with an impressive annual revenue of $26.7 million, serving over 400,000 meals each year. But lately, she has been facing weekend crisis nightmares. Her staff were exhausted, making mistakes. Wrong orders, misplaced bills, customers waiting so long they grew frustrated. Complaints piled up. Dissatisfaction spread like wildfire. Sarah tried everything, but nothing was possible. One evening, a loyal customer suggested to her about Tesla Bot Gen 3. Sarah was skeptical. Could it really help, or would it just make things worse? Look. Within minutes, the robot had taken over the front desk, smoothly managing the reservation list. Then it glided effortlessly between tables, serving drinks with absolute precision. When the music started playing, it suddenly spun around, executing flawless dance moves that left the entire restaurant cheering in amazement. Her restaurant, once drowning in chaos and complaints, had now become the talk of the town. At recent events, TeslaBot has demonstrated impressive interactive capabilities, engaging in dancing, serving cocktails, and conversing with attendees. These abilities highlight its potential to replace human roles in customer service and hospitality, industries that rely heavily on engagement, efficiency, and adaptability. TeslaBot achieves this level of interaction through advanced AI, allowing it to learn and quickly adapt to new situations. In hospitality and customer service, this adaptability can enhance guest experiences by providing personalized interactions. For instance, TeslaBot can gradually learn customer preferences, tailoring its service to individual needs, a level of efficiency and consistency that surpasses traditional human roles. With AI-powered humanoid robots like TeslaBot, businesses can redefine customer engagement, ensuring seamless, tailored, and highly responsive service that was once only possible with highly trained human staff. Tesla Bot Gen 3. Ability to perform tasks with precision and speed ensures a level of consistency in service delivery that human employees often struggle to maintain over long hours. In hospitality environments, this means seamless management of essential tasks such as serving food and beverages, handling customer requests, and maintaining cleanliness, all while delivering a uniformly high standard of service. This unwavering reliability translates directly into higher customer satisfaction and lower operational costs for businesses. Unlike human employees, TeslaBot doesn't suffer from fatigue, mood fluctuations, or performance inconsistencies. Businesses no longer need to worry about staff burnout, turnover, or lapses in service quality, making TeslaBot an ideal solution for optimizing efficiency in hospitality and customer service industries. Tesla plans to mass-produce thousands of TeslaBot robots by 2025, with an ambitious goal of exponential growth in the following years. This scalability allows businesses to deploy TeslaBot across various service environments without the need for extensive training or complex hiring processes. Unlike human employees, TeslaBot is ready to work immediately, adapting to different roles with minimal setup and no learning curve. Beyond its versatility, TeslaBot presents a cost-effective alternative to traditional labor. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla, EV, or TeslaBot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Tesla Car World and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.